2018 Cadillac Escalade. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, still got stock converters there and there. Then secondary, and then it wise into a single right there. Then it's got the dreaded third cat. And then what we put on it is a massive bolt-on kit by Corsa. Corsa exhaust, single exhaust. There's the Corsa muffler. It's huge. As you guys can see from my hand, it's huge. It's made not to drone. So that's what Corsa's known for. So there's the muffler right there. And then there's the tailpipe. It's the all 3-inch system. Out the back into a dual tip right there. As you guys can see, still got the plastic on it. We'll take that off in a second. There it is. And then the part number is 14826. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for it. That's the kit. And this is everything we cut off. There's the muffler, flex pipe, and tailpipe and tip. And replace it with that Corsa system right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2009 Cadillac Escalade on 30s. Look at that, huge. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there and there, wise into a single. Then we put a 3-inch race muffler vibrant performance. Here is the part number, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 3.5 oval out overall. Part number 1769 right there. Then we added a custom Y pipe, and then we dualed it out the back, 2 1/4 out the sides on each side, there and there, into 4-inch double walled stainless steel tips on each side, there and right there. You guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
All right, guys, we got a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. I think he said he's got the 6.2 in it. We did a flow effects on it, and that was it. We left the rear resonator still on there, factory converters, etc. So factory converter there, flex pipe right there, and then there's the Flowmaster flow effects we put on right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and 3-inch sleeve right there, connected into the pre-existing tailpipe. There's really no space under these new Escalades, but it goes up over there, wise somewhere up there, and then comes out into a resonator there and a resonator there, with the tips built into the bumper right there and right there. And out the back, there's the factory tips on it right there and right there, nice and clean. And this is the old muffler that was on it, single in, single out. And on the front, this also has the valve like most Chevy GMC products, so remember to cut this valve off or it'll rattle and it gets mad annoying. Here it is right there, flow effects mid, and kept the stock resonators on the rear. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
I love the look of it too. Sound decibels, go ahead. Again. The sound decibels are like 101. Not bad. Wow, I like that. You know what? I might get that for my ramp. I like it. It's not too much. It's just perfect.
Well, it looks good too.
Yeah. Because I don't want drone inside, man. That's my biggest thing.
Yeah, that's why I did it. No drone.
There's everything we cut off, guys. Again. Let you guys hear on this. Vibrant brake duals Escalade. Again. Here's sound decibels. One more. Right at 108. Again. Yes, it sounds so good on this Escalade. Go ahead and bring it back. Nice clean sound to it. Cadillac Escalade on 30s. You guys don't know know nothing about Nashville. Again? Sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside.
To 100 when you're really getting into it. Flow effects in the mid. Nice and deep. What you guys hear on the inside?
Escalade with a Corsa system. You can't go wrong with Corsa. Corsa performance. Hopefully you get on it. Not bad. So deep. Cadillac Escalade on 30s, baby. Sexy. He's bringing this beast back, and we're gonna do it next, true dueling. Yeah. There's that pop. There he goes. Yeah, beast mode in an Escalade.
2021 Cadillac Escalade. Flow FX mid of the stock resonators on the rear.